Welcome to Tayport, a charming coastal hamlet with a history that stretches back to the 11th century. Known in medieval times as Ferryport on Cray, it was once a key stop for pilgrims travelling from St Andrews as they crossed the Tay estuary on ferries to continue their journey to the sacred Arbroath Abbey. For centuries, ferries carried both travellers and railway carriages across the Tay, a vital connection that lasted until the opening of the Tay Rail Bridge in 1878. Today, the historic Tayport Harbour has transformed into a peaceful marina, where yachts and small boats rest in the jetties, offering a serene setting perfect for photography and relaxation. But Tayport isn't just about its picturesque harbour. If you're lucky, you might spot one of the resident bottlenose dolphins that frequently visit the estuary, particularly on warm summer evenings, leaping through the water near the harbour entrance. Tayport also has a hidden gem in its midst, the Tayport Distillery, one of Scotland's smallest family-run distilleries. It crafts unique, artisan spirits inspired by the local landscape. Among their creations is wild rose gin, infused with wild roses gathered from the banks of the River Tay, and a liqueur made from locally grown raspberries, a true taste of the area. Just a short distance along the coast, you'll find Tentsmuir National Nature Reserve, a sanctuary for wildlife. Home to seals, seabirds, wildfowl, otters, and rare butterflies, the reserve offers a unique opportunity to connect with nature. And if you're in need of a refreshment, don't miss Salt and Pine Scotland, a popular snack bar serving delicious treats to fuel your adventures. To truly immerse yourself in Tayport's rich history and natural beauty, consider walking the Tayport Heritage Trail. This 4-mile circular route takes you on a journey through the heart of Tayport, offering a deeper understanding of the area's heritage and its connection to the past. Tayport is a place where history, nature, and tradition come together in a stunning coastal setting. Whether you're exploring the harbour, enjoying a local spirit, or hiking through the nature reserve, Tayport offers a peaceful retreat with something for everyone. As you take in the stunning aerial views of Tayport, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel videos from Scotland. Stay tuned for more.